Welcome back to your English grammar class. In our previous session, we started with this chapter, present perfect tense. I helped you all complete exercise A, exercise B, and exercise C, and exercise D. Today we will be continuing with exercise E, but before that we will be looking at the interrogative negative sentence structure. So whenever you want to make it into an interrogative negative sentence, what comes first? The helping word followed by the subject, not, verb in the third form, and other words. So again, with I, we, you, and they we use have, and he, she we use has. Not is compulsory when you want to make it to negative, and verb in the third form. We can also use the contraction hasn't and haven't when you're framing the question. So that whole thing will come before the subject only when you are using the contraction, and when you are not using the contraction, the negation comes between the subject and verb. Let's see exercise E. Change the following into interrogative negative sentence. Let's see the first one. I have completed my homework. So I is the subject, have is the helping verb, completed is the verb in the third form. So what comes first? Have followed by the subject, that is I. Not, we need to add not, and verb in the third form and other words, right? So, and a question mark is compulsory. See the third one. Nitin has done well in exams. So again, when you're making into interrogative negative, helping verb first. So has is the helping verb, Nitin is the subject, and done is the verb. So has Nitin not done well in the exams? Why not? Because we have to make it into interrogative negative. You can try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to the use of adverb and adverbial phrase in present perfect tense. Okay, just, already in the affirmative sentence is used as subject plus have, has plus just or already plus verb in the third form and other. Just and already is used where? After have, has. Okay, he has just arrived here. I have already seen him. Never, till now, yet, so far, not even. Not even in the negative sentences are used. Okay, these words are used in negative sentence, and just and already is used in the positive sentence. Subject plus have, has plus not plus verb in the third form and other words. Like I have not gone to meet him till now. She has never seen a clown before. Then ever, never, already, and just in the interrogative sentences are used as have, has plus subject plus ever, never, already plus just, either of it plus verb in the third form and question mark. Like for example, have you ever been to a village fair? Has she never got on the rotating swing? Have they already left for school? Has she just gone out? Okay, so these are the variations which they have shown when you use an adverb or adverbial phrase in a present perfect tense. Let's see exercise F. Complete the following sentences with the present perfect tense of the verbs in the brackets. Like, has he dash lunch, just eaten. So here we need to add something before just eaten, right? So with he, what do we use? We use has. So he has just eaten lunch. Then see the second one. The vacations dash just begin. So before you use just begin, we need to put something. So vacations have just begun. We, instead of begin, we'll use in the third form, so that will be begun. We don't need your company. We dash alone. We have always traveled. So always travel is the third form, and with we always use have. Try completing the remaining ones on your own. So students, your task for today is to solve exercise E and F. If you all have any queries, you all can contact me. Thank you.